A ratio ruler is an imaginary stick which marks out our preferred shot and is used to help us plan ball positions. In this case, it's illustrating a stop shot. It displays the 4:1 ratio and can be scaled up or down as needed. Even split if necessary. In this example, our blue ball is for hoop 1 and yellow is being sent to hoop 2 as the pioneer. Red will then be sent to the middle as the pivot. But it will go via black. This will enable us to get good position on black to send it to hoop 1. The ruler can be used here to mark an ideal spot to send red. And ultimately we want blue here. So red should be rushed as close as possible to this red target on the end of the ruler. This ruler ensures that we can use our preferred shot at all times, whether that's a stop shot or something else. It helps us plot positions and keep split shots to a minimum. Here we have arrived at our destination. With a straight stop shot. Ready to make our final rush to hoop 1.